Shaqiq states that he was sitting with Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud and Hazrat Abu Musa Ashari radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu addressing Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu said, "How should a sexually defiled person perform a prayer if he cannot find water for 1 month?" Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu said, "What will you say about these words of chapter Surah Al-Ma'idah?" Translation: If you do not get water, perform dry ablution with pure soil. Surah Ma'idah verse 6. Hazrat Abdullah radiyallahu anhu replied, "I fear if the people are allowed to perform dry ablution considering this verse, they will start performing dry ablution even feeling the water cold." Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu whereupon said, "Haven't you heard this hadith of Hazrat Ammar radiyallahu anhu that he narrated, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched me for some task. I during the journey got sexually defiled while sleeping, so I started wallowing on the soil like cattle. Then when I came back to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and mentioned this episode to him, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'It was sufficient for you to do so.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then struck the earth with his both hands once and passed the left hand on the right hand and on the back of both palms and on the face." Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, "Do not you know, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu was not satisfied with Hazrat Ammar's hadith." Sahih Muslim, hadith number 816.